Newt, hey! Newt!
Jig gets gone.
Oh boy.
Newt!
And I mean destroyed.
Oh yeah. Hey.
What? I knew you were gonna shoot that one, so I shot that one first, and then I turned, and you shot it like about a split second before I did, and I saw you hit it good, and then it was like, woof, full pattern on mine. I was like, oh God, I shouldn't have shot.
Here.
I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna shoot.
Heel.
I'm gonna shoot.
Heel.
Don't you shoot. I'm gonna shoot.
Well, when I pulled up, he like flared. Like it was so close, I couldn't even get beat. I was like, fuck. And then he flared out. I was like, oh, there we go.
We definitely can't shoot good.
Yeah, let's shoot him a second time after you shoot him 10 yards away from me.
I'm
That was not a good
Well,
idea.
when they started doing that, I was like,
Well, here's the thing. If they all start coming from that side, y'all can just... If you're worried about it, Norm, just for whoever.
Hey, we got more in the air.
I'm saying when you try to shoot backwards,
let's go.
we're not
Like,
aiming.
this is
We're
better
like,
than that's how we're doing it.
Yeah.
we can't turn around that way.
Those are some good sized
Don't worry, we had you covered.
There's a potential leaderboard
I
bird.
saw a lot of shooting on that one bird. I'm like, are you not fucking gonna kill it?
I hear some somewhere.
That one?
That one.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm like, oh no.
I pulled on
Yeah.
that one. Veered that way because I figured everything.
Good night, Goose.
Did you shoot John?
No, I didn't.
Plus, I had. Kill him. You're down. Just in case. I thought about double tapping him, but I was like, yeah, I don't do that. I thought about it.
Hey, we're up to 3.
Newt.
Hey, for 3. If we're shooting ducks, we'd have a fucking barrel.
Right in front, right here.
Heel. Heel.
Heel.
I actually shoot. Heel. I should have had Max shoot. Heel. Heel. Oh, if we get another.
Bloody back up.
That's right.
Because he was dying no matter what. He wasn't going to get away.
Good boy.
Couple more geese over there.
Right there.
Oh, there's a bunch more over there now.
Yep.
Did they just get up on their own?
Yep. No, he might have got him up.
No.
He's not even halfway there yet.
Did they just get up after he shot? He's
no.
still walking out there though. Look at all them ducks though.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Newt. Newt.
You said weekend trip up here for ducks?
Yeah, right. Newt, here.
Yeah. Mud?
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 Mud? Mud? Max?
Max?
Max? Max?
Done deal. Yeah. You said wait, right?
Yeah, I said wait, but whatever.
Still gone.
Done deal.
I couldn't hear you.
Oh, you shot it?
Yeah, I killed it.
I thought he was still real high. And he definitely wasn't going to flare.
No.
But on the slight
That's
chance.
that no word wind shit where they're just like floating and loading and loading.
It was like in unison.
Boom! Boom! I don't have a first one to hit. Like, that's not all the fucking wads.
Newt! What the fuck are you doing?
Seagulls
point, boys?
Those three didn't give a shit.
No. That one was like, hey, where's that fucking spitting?
I'm interested in what's going on over there, but
5 for 5 for you guys call it. Kill.
Those were angry shots.
Yes, they were.
No, that's there was a lot of
Yeah, that was like with extreme
Let the
prejudice.
dogs coming out.
like we haven't shot all fucking morning.
that's exactly what that was. That's exactly what that was.
That was anger banging.
Motherfuckers!